Hey there, content creators, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something that's going to make your life a whole lot easier, the brand new Smart Short Clip feature in Filmora 14. Whether you are a YouTuber, a social media manager, or just love creating videos, this tool is a game changer. So stick around to see how we can turn long videos into short, engaging clips with just a few clicks. Let's get started. But before we jump into the details, let's make sure that you got the latest version of Filmora 14 installed. So, to do so, we have to head over to their website, download and install it onto your computer. And hey, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit this notification bell so you never miss out the latest video editing tips and tricks. What exactly is that feature we are talking about? Okay, well, it's a powerful AI tool in Filmora 14 that helps you turn long videos into short, shareable clips in just a matter of few seconds. Okay, Filmora uses AI to analyze your video, find the best moments, and stitch them together into a smooth, engaging short clip. Whether you highlight a reel, a teaser, or a repurposed snippet from a longer video, this feature makes it super easy to create content for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and more. Okay, so benefits of using smart short clips. Okay, there are a good few benefits which I want to cover here. Okay, why should we care about these features? Here are a few benefits. Okay, saves your time and effort. Okay, so instead of spending hours editing, you can let Filmora AI to do the hard work and create multiple short clips like this ones here. You can see it now in minutes. Okay, you can engage your audience. Okay, with this tool, it finds the most attention-grabbing parts of your video and make them the highlight. Okay, so it's perfect for keeping your viewers hooked. And you can repurpose content also. Got a long video that's not getting too much traction, turn into the multiple short clips, and suddenly you got new content to share across all your social media channels, right? Okay, so that sounds very easy, doesn't it? Okay, and also it doesn't stop here. Okay, the smart short clip feature also lets you add background music, stickers, emojis, transitions to make your clips stand out. Plus, you can upload the finished clips directly to your social media accounts from Filmora. It's all about making things as seamless, as efficient as possible. Okay, so now when we cover this, okay, we just head into the Filmora itself, and I'll just show you step-by-step tutorial on how to do it. Okay, so let's go into the Filmora. Here is the Filmora platform. If you haven't downloaded, please use the link below to download this Filmora, the newest version of Filmora. And once you do it, okay, and that's the main home screen once you click on it. Okay. So let's walk you through the process of creating smart short clip using Filmora. Okay, it's super easy. And I'm going to show you in 5 steps. Right. So first we have to launch, as we discussed. Okay, and then we have to click on the smart short clip. Okay, you can also click on those 3 dots, and it's the first option here. Okay, so once we on it. Okay. We can see it. We can see it now as a main screen. Okay, so now click on it, and you can either upload your long footage or even paste a YouTube link directly if you want to create clips from the existing videos. Okay, so if you had something already online on your YouTube, let's say, you can log in with your credentials, and that will be automatically, the video from your YouTube will be automatically uploaded into the Filmora. It's super easy. It's absolutely fantastic that this feature is available here. Okay, so the second step would be so first we just have to go and do some sort of either we can drag and drop the video, the long form video, or we can upload it from YouTube, or we can even use it from Filmora Cloud. You can, if you have that option, you definitely can do it. Okay, I'm gonna just drag and drop one of my previous videos. It's a long form content. Okay, it's about 8 minutes 20 seconds, and I want to create a short out of that. Okay, So once we got this on, okay, now we have to choose the language, okay. So the language of the footage would be, there's like 40 languages supported, so I just stick to the standard US English, okay. And but you can choose whichever language you have. Like Filmora supports over 40 languages, so you've got plenty options to choose from, okay. Then the third step would need to decide, for how long you want your short clip to be. Okay, you can go with the out option, all right, or choose up to 180 seconds. Okay, you will also different aims available here. We can see it here. Okay, so now there's also 180 seconds to 300 seconds. You can definitely do it 300 seconds. I wouldn't go longer than 180 seconds, for short form content. But if you want to do so, that's absolutely no problem. Like 300 seconds is also available, so you can do it up to 5 minutes. So we can shorten that video into the 5 minutes if you wish to. If you wish to do so, that's absolutely no problem. But as I said, like, this tool is being created for so-called short form content. So I think that between 30 seconds and 180 seconds is something it's would be the most suitable for those type of videos. Okay, those templates here, there are plenty of them here available. You can choose the one you like it, and there are also be those captions also put it inside your video, okay, which is really nice. Okay, the other options there are, okay, we can go and choose the themes like video, podcast, gaming, and sports, marketing, educational video, commentaries, videos, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's say that I want to go with the marketing. That's all what I want to go. And here are the few templates which they're available under the marketing theme. All right, so let's go and stick to this one here. Okay, and now if you can also go ahead and do additional things. You can add some emojis, like this one, for example, and so on and so forth. So this will be, everything will be implemented inside your video. Okay, so now once this is done, you can select the aspect ratio if you want. Also if you're creating vertical videos for TikTok, for example, you can add the background music here, and even create animated titles for your clips. Right, that's all it can be here. Can be done here. Okay, plus there are different templates. Okay, as I said already, depending on what you want to create. Okay, so now let's go and generate, and it's been working now for us. Okay, let's the Filmora AI do its magic. Okay, it will compile your clips, and you can preview them to see how they turn out. Okay, it's only take a matter of a couple of minutes before it's ready. Okay, so if you need to make any changes, you can also go and edit them. Otherwise, you can export it directly and post it into your social media, so you can save it into your computer. It's really simple. So guys, I just wait for some time, and I think that it shouldn't take too long, before it will be ready. Okay, and in the meantime, I just want to go back here into the Filmora itself. I just want to once again talk to you about this platform. I will be using a few other options here. For example, like smart short clips. That's what we will be focusing today. And the other videos, I want to go ahead with AI video enhancer, AI video denoiser, video AI voice enhancer. There's so many of those AI tools now available here inside this new Filmora 14. Absolutely amazing. I'm gonna be using other videos, to covering those features, because I think that those are absolutely amazing. Look how many of those things are being added in this Filmora 14. If you haven't used it, it's a great time to start up. Okay, and if you have used it, already Filmora. Let's say that you start using Filmora 13. You're familiar with it. It's gonna give you additional boost into your creation process with those AI tools. Okay, so yeah, let's go back, and here go, and video is generating. It's in progress, so 36 seconds. Okay, so let's wait for a minute and see. It shouldn't take long now. Okay, so There you go. There are some of those videos already been done for me, okay, in the past, including the one which I just showed you guys. And here are all they are available here, and you can go and you can, read whatever it says on that video. If you want to do some editing, you can just simply click on it, and there is a full a suite of editing tools which you can start working on it and do it the way you like it. Okay, so guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. If you like it, please hit the like button. I'll be leaving the link inside the description, and happy editing. Thank you very much for watching.